So just like I called out days before, Dogecoin is forming a bullish flag, also a descending triangle, which is a bullish pattern. And look exactly what happened. I said, look, once we get pushed into this apex, something big is going to happen. We're either most likely going to break out to the upside or to the downside, and we ended up breaking out exactly as predicted. In this video, we are going to be taking a look at the entire crypto market, Dogecoin especially. Where are we headed? We have a lot of very important breaking news. Look at Ethereum going crazy. Cryptos are about to absolutely go crazy. So make sure you watch the entire video. You cannot miss what we have in store for you today. What's up, Myles? It's ladies and gentlemen. Make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you do not miss these time-sensitive videos about Dogecoin that we make every single day. We call out huge plays like this way before they happen every time. And if you want to get access to my profitable trade alerts when to buy and sell cryptocurrencies, join my Patreon for only $10 a month, where I tell you big plays before they happen there as well. Just like Cardano, we bought Cardano at $1.06. We bought Ethereum just a couple of weeks ago, $1,700, a bunch of cryptocurrencies that are over 100% profits in just the last several weeks. I'm giving away 200 Doge to one person this week, and all you have to do is like this video, subscribe to the channel, follow my Instagram and Twitter, and put Dogecoin giveaway in the comments. And if you love Dogecoin, you want to see Dogecoin continue to pump, make sure you smash up the like button and let me know in the comments, how high do you think Dogecoin is going to go this week? So we have some very, very good news for cryptocurrencies. We've had some very good news this morning, which is also going to be helping out the entire crypto market. You should definitely check out this video from this morning. But look at this. A mayoral candidate pledges to make New York City most cryptocurrency friendly city in the nation. So a person who is potentially about to become the mayor of New York City is going to be crypto friendly. Right now, there's a lot of platforms for people that are in New York City, New York. You may all know, you may be watching the video. You can't buy Dogecoin, you can't buy cryptocurrencies with. You can't even use some of these platforms. Now you will hear very soon when this person gets put into the office, Curtis Sliwa. If this happened and when it happens, this is going to be very good for cryptocurrencies because New York City has a huge population. This is just absolutely phenomenal to see. We're starting to see some changes around the country with politics for the good of crypto. But look at what he said he's going to do. As New York City mayor, I will make New York City the most cryptocurrency friendly in the nation. Property taxes, fines, and fees will be payable in crypto. We will open more crypto ATMs and incentivize businesses to accept crypto. We must modernize our economy and make it accessible to all. This is extremely bullish for Dogecoin, for cryptocurrencies, because there's so many people in New York who can't even buy Dogecoin because of the strict regulations in New York City for Dogecoin, for cryptocurrencies, and much more. So this is a huge step forward for Dogecoin and cryptos. Dogecoin headed for over $1, not just my words, not just a Dogecoin YouTuber's words, but the crypto market analyst believes this very statement. Dogecoin is headed for much higher highs according to cryptocurrency market analyst Gianni Di Poce. So he was speaking with Benzinga apparently, and he tells them that he sees Dogecoin going past $1, and I think that is certainly very, very easy to happen for cryptocurrencies this year. We have to understand the crypto market. We have to understand where Bitcoin, where Ethereum is headed. And we know that Dogecoin does move, no matter what, with these cryptos to a degree. It usually outperforms Bitcoin and Ethereum, most assuredly. So if Ethereum is 10K or 15K, 20K by the end of the year, do you think Dogecoin is just going to remain 30 cents? If Ethereum goes up 300% and Dogecoin always outperforms Ethereum, does that mean it will go under or above 300%? Let me know in the comments below. But if cryptocurrencies really take off like people are expecting, like analysts are projecting, like major institutions have been projecting for a long time, I could easily see, just my own opinion, Dogecoin over $1 quite easily, especially maybe $1.50. We could see higher numbers in that. But realistically, I think Dogecoin is a conservative estimate for Dogecoin at the end of the year. And here's a funny thing that he mentions. The report follows a recent market analysis suggesting that there's hope for Dogecoin to reignite its bullish trend after forming a bull pennant, a bullish flag that could power its price past 30 cents. Something we've been talking about the last week. I was like, look, Dogecoin is forming a bullish pennant. We're going to be taking a look at this in just a second, and this is most likely going to break out. And we're going to be talking about that in just a moment. But before we do so, let's take a look at coin market cap, where we can see the crypto market cap is $2.2 trillion, a high. We have not seen that number in a while. I think this might be the high for a long time. I don't know. We'll have to look into that. But look at Bitcoin, up 4%. Bitcoin nearly $49,000. Ethereum, $3,800, breaking another high today. Cardano up 5%, $2.86. A steal. Cardano is a steal right there at that price, in my opinion. XRP, $1.22, up 6%. Dogecoin up almost 7%. We are just about 30 cents. It is pumping right now. Cryptos are moving like crazy. Polkadot up 11%. Solana up 7%. These cryptos are going absolutely wild. And if you want a good platform to buy and sell cryptocurrencies like these, join my WEBULL link. If you sign up and deposit $100 using my link, they'll send you 2 free stocks worth up to $4,000, which you can immediately sell at any time. So the entire crypto market is pumping. It is looking very good. And September, yes, is generally a bearish month. But I'm thinking September might actually be a bullish month. Or if it ends up being a bearish month, we're probably going to get a huge pump in the beginning of the month and maybe a consolidation period, maybe a correction sometime in September. Certain possible facts just to consider. But let's get into this chart because Ethereum is just breaking out. This is wonderful to see. Ethereum formed that bullish flag like we talked about earlier in my video and breaking out of it right this very second. Wonderful to see. Bitcoin is doing the same thing, forming that bullish flag, like a little cup we see up there. It is just beautiful to behold. You cannot see anything more bullish than this in the charts. Bitcoin is headed back to $50,000. We could see $50,000 Bitcoin. If we see $50,000 for Bitcoin tonight, things will get crazy for the altcoins, Dogecoin specifically. And here we have Dogecoin. We're going to take a look at just a second. But Solana is having a little bit of a correction after a massive pump like that. It's actually good to see Solana come down a little bit because it was just going crazy. And this is providing people an opportunity to buy Solana at a discount. ADA still climbing up. Everything is just looking wonderful. But most importantly, let's look at Dogecoin. So Dogecoin is, just like we have been talking about for a week, breaking out of this pattern. So we're breaking out of this pattern, Myles, but where are we headed to next? So generally, what is going to happen is the breakouts can be generally according to the length of this triangle, which we can see approximately to that area. And that would confirm it if I lengthen that right there. So the breakout could potentially bring us, this would bring us past 30 cents, of course, to 30 cents. So from the bottom of this pattern, yes, it doesn't look like much, like 26 cents to 31 cents. It's not a lot, right? It actually is a lot. That's billions and billions of dollars. And if you have a couple $100,000 invested into this, this could be a lot of money. But from here to our price target, it's about a 13% gain. So if you would have bought the dip that we announced in the Patreon to our price target, you will see about a 13% gain here in the relative future. So that is just one pattern to flip us out of that bearish momentum, which is good. We're breaking out of that bearish consolidation period, and now we are headed back up. But we have some levels to face. Yes, we have certain levels of resistance that we have to face to bring us to that high since May of 35 cents. So 35 cents is our goal, ladies and gentlemen. That is what we need to be looking at. And if Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano, these cryptos continue to pump, especially Ethereum, which is leading the market, this is going to bring Dogecoin eventually, as we are almost at 30 cents now, to 35 cents, maybe in a couple of days. So we're going to keep our eyes on Dogecoin. It's looking good. It's looking healthy. It's still bullish as we are looking at the overall crypto market, which is very bullish. Despite the news, despite the FUD out there, don't believe it. Believe in what you invest in. Understand what you invest in, where it's headed. And you know that we are only headed up from here. Yes, there may be short-term volatility for Dogecoin, for cryptocurrencies, but at the end of the year, we are going to be much higher. Just my own opinion, it's not financial advice, much higher than where we are at now, probably 2 or 3 times, especially for Dogecoin and some of the altcoins. So if you got something out of the video, make sure you share this video with some of your friends and family. Follow my Twitter where I do announce some technical analysis stuff you should definitely check out. And I will see you all tomorrow.